see a Chinese cry and water come out and
So let me ask you. Let me ask you, as a resident of that community there, yeah. What do you think? Well, do you think they made the right decision or not?
Well, I'm telling you the honest truth, sir.
Yes.
I think they had made the right decision. Mr. Chin was not really that popular in his constituency. I think he had too much things to do.
Like what? And too much things like what to do?
No, his pieces I'm talking, and a lot of people there is ungrateful too because he could not have done all of what they wanted in 4 years' time. You understand?
Yes.
So, because remember, it was not a better road. The constituency was run down. So a lot of people expect everything should have come on one time and this and that, and it's not such work.
Yes.
But he wasn't that visible in his constituency, so I think he should have expected it.
Yes. Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But I just said go, yeah, Mr. Chin. I said go, Mr. Chin. I said go.
So you participated or you never participated?